Hey art friends, today we're going to draw something really cool for fall. What are we drawing?
A fall wreath.
Yes, it's going to be made out of really colorful leaves. It's going to be very cool.
Yes.
You excited? For this lesson you need a marker, but we're also going to use a pencil and an eraser and
Some paper.
and
Something to color with.
something to color with. All right, you ready to start? We're first going to start by using our pencil and we're going to draw a really light circle. This is a guideline for our wreath. We're going to start here, and we're going to draw a big circle that goes all the way around our paper.
Okay.
Yes.
Woo!
Keep going. And if you need to, if you want to change your circle at all, you can. I had a little bump down here, so I redrew it, and then you can actually erase.
Mine looks like an alien head.
It kind of does look like an alien head. So if you want, you could go back over it and kind of change your circle if you want. Add a little extra down here at the bottom. There you go. Yeah, you could even add a little more on the other side. Then we can go back in and erase these first lines. You want to do that?
Yes.
Now we're all done with our pencils, so we can put those off to the side. We're going to use our eraser at the very end to erase the circle when we're done. But let's switch to our marker, and we're going to first draw a leaf down here at the bottom. We're just going to draw one line, and the line's going to start on the pencil line, and then we're going to draw a diagonal line that goes off like that.
So right here.
Yeah, that's a good spot. Then we can draw two lines coming out from it. We're just drawing one leaf first. I like it. I like how you have one line going that way and another line going the other way. Now we can draw, if you want, you could add a few more of those, but let's just start with that. We're going to just draw a simple leaf. We're going to go around, and then we're going to come back. Yes. You did it. Okay, now we're going to draw another leaf, and we're going to draw it going the other direction. So we're going to start here, and we're going to come off to the side like that. So you can start here, and then draw it over to there. Yeah, now let's draw a couple more lines coming off of that one. You can, yes, good. And you, now on this one, we're going to draw a little different. We're going to draw a different style leaf. Watch this. We're going to go around the bump or around the first line like that, and then we'll go around the second one, third one, and then back in. That's a different type of leaf. Oh, it's perfect. Now we can draw another leaf. This one is I'm going to draw it straight like this, straight on the line. Then let's draw the same thing. Let's draw two veins coming out, or two more, like, they kind of look like branches coming off.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, all right, now we can let's draw a different style leaf. This one is going to be a lot like the curved one, but let's draw it with a point. So instead of a curve, we're going to draw pointed.
Leaves.
Yes, pointy leaves. And then I'm going to draw another one that comes around this one and then connects back in. All right, Hallie, we did it. We finished drawing 3 different types of leaves, and each of them are stacked or overlapping each other, so it looks really cool. Now we're going to repeat those same steps, and we're going to finish our entire wreath. We're going to go all the way around using those exact same steps. This part we're going to fast forward, but you guys can pause the video to take time and finish your wreath. Now another thing that I'm going to do while we're fast forwarding is I'm going to rotate my paper. It makes it a little easier to draw the leaves. So I rotate it like this so I can draw the next leaf, and then we can keep going all the way around until we complete it. Hadley, we did it. We went all the way around our wreath and finished all of the leaves. Now we got this little space down here at the bottom, and we can just fill that in with a leaf, a short little line to connect it. And this one's going to be behind all of the other leaves. So if you want, you can add those little extra stems off the side or the little veins. And then we can draw a curve at the top. This is going to be the outside of the leaf. And I'm going to draw another curve down here at the bottom. And we did it, we finished, we went all the way around and completed the very bottom. And we could still add a few more details to our wreath. What should we add?
Some little berries.
Some little berries? I like it. Okay, we're gonna draw a little branch that comes off. Maybe we could just pick anywhere along our wreath. I'm gonna do it right here. I'm gonna draw a little thing that comes off to this side, and we're gonna repeat the same steps. We're gonna draw 2 little branches that come off. Now this is a branch, and then we're gonna draw circles at the very end, just like that. All right, let's repeat that same step. I'm gonna draw another one over here coming into the center of the wreath. So we draw the line and then 2 little branches coming off and then the circles on the end of each branch. All right, let's fast forward again and add a few more berries all over the wreath. All right, Hadley, we did it. We finished all of our little berries, and I especially love how little yours are. They look super cute. Now before we color our drawings, we need to use our eraser and go through and erase that little guideline that we drew at the very beginning of the lesson. Next, we're ready to color our wreath. This part we're gonna fast forward one more time, but you guys can pause the lesson at the very end to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
All right, Hadley, we did it. We finished coloring our fall wreaths. They look so much better colored in.
Yes.
What colors did we use?
We used orange,
Yeah?
red, green, and brown.
And brown. You guys can pause the video right now to match the same coloring. We even blended 2 colors together on some of the leaves, like red and orange and green and orange. It looks really pretty, Hadley.
Yes. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your fall wreaths.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.